There's a major problem with a ton of the information that we see on YouTube in e-commerce currently. Now, there's always going to be pretenders and people with ulterior motives in any business arena. And of course, there's a monetary incentive in seeing success on YouTube, which is where a lot of these issues stem from. And I remember watching a video from Sam Ovens a while back on how the online information market had gotten so backwards that the people who were winning were simply the people that shouted the loudest, not those that were actually the best in that business.
All of these people just shouting at you about like all of these different things and standing in front of all of these different cars. Like enough is enough. You know, the world has become so noisy out there. And there's just so much marketing crap.
And I believe this is exactly what we're currently seeing with e-commerce YouTube right now. A perfect example of this is these 1 week or even 1 day challenges that you see trending all over the place. These videos play to the short attention span of people and a get-rich-quick mentality, which is rampant. You can never expect to get actual results in that short of a time period, and any results that you do get will be short-lived if they're not a complete fluke. But it's not sexy to tell people the honest truth, that yes, it's 100% possible to succeed with all of these things, but it's gonna be a lot harder than you think. It's gonna take a lot longer than you think, and you're actually gonna have to put some work in. There's no finding some magical product that's going to fly off the shelves with zero effort. On top of that, it seems like there's so much more upside in entertainment than actual information and experience now. Obviously, the best YouTubers combine all of these elements well, but it seems to be a record amount of people with business and life advice now who don't have any successful businesses and don't have any life experience. For instance, any Shopify search will yield you hundreds of 18-year-olds in their college dorm rooms giving advice on how they scale their Shopify stores. And maybe I'm just a bitter guy in his 30s that's annoyed that I had to earn my stripes and fail my way to learning how to succeed. There's definitely some truth to that. Ultimately, though, I get it. And it's not fully their fault for trying the fake it till you make it approach. It's really the only play at that stage anyway. The fault lies with us, the viewers, for constantly looking for a shortcut or a fast-paced way to make money, or gravitating to the most entertaining videos and fast-paced edits simply because it maintains our attention longer, which ultimately just leads to looking at these kids with no experience and no business acumen for advice on how to start a business and make money. And don't get me wrong, there are certainly kids out there that are able to be successful online, obviously, especially now when their expertise in specific technologies is a massive advantage. But those people are the very small exception, not the rule. It seems like all you need to find success as an e-commerce YouTuber these days is good editing skills, trendy challenge videos, and a topic on Shopify dropshipping. But maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe people are mainly watching these channels for the entertainment aspect of it and not so much the advice. Let me know what you think.